Medyo busy.
Okay.
Non-thriving pa din naman ng lakas RO mga pre.
Girl, I miss
Moonlit. 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 Civic.
Anyways, I cannot change your account to an emo one. By the way, why were you shopping?
Oras eh. Saglit lang 9 months.
What does that even mean?
Okay, next round. 4 rounds.
I dare you. I dare you to.
Should be over all the butterflies. Pagbibigay ako ng lalaki ako yung picture next. Oo. So next year sure ball port jump na pre. Mabilis lang yun. Boss Pandemonyo, magkano nagastos mo dun sa costume mong kit?
No?
Antay lang tayo ng mga gustong sumali. What's up? Monster number 20888, level 220, poison 4, insect large. Madali lang yan.
I'm gonna link to him. Let's see. Yeah, he's the.
Yun. So, nauna si Shenlong, si Chi, si 5 days nang di natatabi si baby, tinatrangkaso. Ayop. Yung monster, kailangan nyo mag-type ng exclamation point flame, tapos RG yan. Para sa mga bago natin dyan. Okay na. Okay, wala.
Is it a thief?
Namrepus, tsaka si Fenny.
I'm curious.
Wala kayo, ang ganda pa naman ng bagong streamer egg.
Where? Oh yeah. See? Yep, you do. This is gonna be fun, right?
Oh, 1 minute, tapos next clue.
Followers
Okay.
type
50 NLs Jewel. Okay.
And then
50 NLs Jewel sa
mine would be darkness.
lahat aking i-clue. Either element or size.
It's okay. It's okay. I don't like to drink. I'm gonna run away.
Ano Anong oras? Siguro mga 1 hour 45 minutes ng stream. Siguro mga after 30 minutes, pre. Master Cruel ang puta. Walang master, pre. Pakwit na nga eh. Monster yun. Siguro sunod-sunod gawin natin, guess the monster. 2 rounds LS Jewel, 5 rounds LC. Tapos may come on, come on, come on. Yun, ang nanalo sa top fan raffle natin, si Atong.
Okay. The hacker got banned.
Oo nga, wala si Vero. Ano yung Orca clothes?
Fifteen?
15 winners. Kaya bang kayo? 15 winners to, isang bagsak ha. Yung mga gusto sumali, pasok na isa pa, punong mag-chat sa pub, pre.
Two are there.
Oh.
I'm evil, right? So I get to do whatever. I'm more evil than you. Let's fight.
Di ko nga mabuksan upgraded shadow box. Tapos parang wala nang upgraded.
Oh yeah, you can. Yes. This is gonna be fun with your avatar.
First winner.
So I would be so angry. Let's join my new friend. Do you know this Alejandro? I know.
Solid nga ng lakas araw, pre, no? May roadmap. Saan ba pinost ni, ano yan, ni GM Cardinal?
Right in.
Oy, Premier League update, good one. Isa. 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Start. Notify lang kayo, notify.
Ano ba yan? My favorite food? Wait.
G. Ano agad to, pre? Haba naman kasi ang pangalan mo, par. Next round. Ayun o, si Boss E. As well. Alima.
Does? How did you know?
Si Rare, abot yan, pre. Palaro lang gagawin ko ngayon, ngayon. Kala mo lang yon.
Oh, because I reported.
Para palaro tayo, pre. Mamaya ako nararaffle yung sa, ano bang nangunguna? Si Atong. Si Pita, lagi. LLGP tayo, minigame. Huwag in-game palaro, logo ako si. Sige, pwede naman in-game tsaka in-game tsaka
brothers. Hahaha. This is gonna be. I dare you. You should, ano ba? You are there. And where people put the
Darkness Helm.
Yeah.
Vajra. Ano yun? May specific siyang pangalan eh.
a monster. Ooh.
Nga, baka hindi siya searchable.
Just like yours.
Haba naman ang pangalan mo, B?
Your hair is getting shorter and shorter every day. That's a long time. Sorry. I promise.
Yara yata sila. Sayang naman ang mga turbo. De, okay ka na, ano? Okay ka na, Boss Atong. Matik na yan. Basta subscriber, matik yan, pre. Teka lang ha, double checking ako. Last round, tapos LC na. Tawag doon? Accessories. Marami na shadow accessories tsaka shadow. Kasi di ba yung streamer egg, bago na ilaman. Tama? Mga par, kita-kita tayo bukas. Bukas mag-stream ulit ako. Mag-stream na ulit si Kuya Den. Yun, no? Salamat sa 8 viewers natin. Ang dami na rin kasi talagang may shadow armor, so parang medyo bagong clue. Either monster level, monster type, ganyan. So ilang seconds na lang? 50 seconds. Siguro 25 LC per round sa Guess the Monster. Kamusta naman server mga pre? On the living room pa.
Eh, umibig ito. Dalawa to eh.
You can open it, it's dark outside na.
Kita. Airplane.
Start na tayo. 2 winners.
For real. Okay. Wait, I have a friend that is called, that's name is Amanda in my ballet class.
Gitna. 2 months na sub. Thank you. Pati kay La Jojo, kay Kikuchi, kay Pogs, pati kay Atlas din. Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Don't move a single inch.
Sabi kasi ni Jess eh. Ni Jess. Wala nang hahabol para sa streamer egg raffle natin.
Wait.
Ito po.
I know there's a hack. I think.
Ay, hindi. Mail ko na lang.
I'm trying to bring. I'm just. Okay, this is gonna be fun. Friday, I will see it. It'll lead to investigate Jenny personal.
Ayan pre.
Starting reacting angrily. One fan said Jenny needs to be. One for a rainbow, one for Amanda. Were you playing with soon? Amanda.
Alista na kita kanina. Nahulog pa nga si Senlong.
This is gonna be fun for the entire server.
Ako naman, hindi ko naman kasi sure pa kung paanong path ng gagawin ng ng lakas RO ngayon dito sa
Kasama ka?
wala yata dito yung VIP nandun sa kabila. Mamaya ako na lang i-deal.
Wait na. This is gonna be fun.
Online ba kayo parehas, pre? Pa-deal ako, nandito ako sa taas ng front. Tele lang ng tele mga pre. Nagbabasa lang ako ng mga update. Upgrading. First to chat sa pub. First to chat. I always wanted this and it's not a joke. Palaro tayo, palaro. Oh, pre. Tayo, di ko din alam eh.
Let's play. Wait, let's play Brocade. Wait, I'm going to share my
Bilis lang yan, par.
Roblox.
Hindi mo na mamalayan.
What did you buy again in the school fair? I forgot. That was like that ever since.
Okay. Grave worm, goods. Grave worm, pre. Nauna si Chodan. Grave worm. Ang sagot. Grave worm.
Ow, 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 ow.
Ah, Jojo. Ayan na, tatlong clue na to.
This is my new friend, the Elixir Caprera. Her name. Right there. Look. Right there.
Armor streamer eggs, no? Pero kasi,
Okay.
paano pa nakuha ang shadow armor doon? Shadow armor tsaka shadow shoes, di ba? Si Namrebus tsaka si Penny. Pa-claim ako, Namrebus, Penny. May 45 seconds din kayo. Pag wala, LC. Tulogin sa
Ano
pulo.
ba?
Wala tayong supply. O sige, mamigay
Wala
tayo
akong
ng
kita.
SG. Ang clue is large. Large. Medium ha, medium. Medium size, medium size. Divine Pride ang sagot sa inyong mga katanungan. You make me feel like I'm living a teenage dream. Yeah.
Girl, you're evil.
So, bago tayo magsimula ng palaro natin, simula first game natin, yung sa mga sa ano, okay naman, pwede naman dito sumagot, pre, kaso, mali naman rin yung sagot mo eh.
You know, you watch it.
Pag hindi nag-claim si Redux saka si Akane,
Wait, you have YouTube kids?
wait lang. LC, Aniles Jewel,
Discuss.
ano pa ba pwede natin i-paraffle?
Here, enjoy.
Okay, titignan ko kung ano yung mga paraffle.
What is it's coming here? Look, they're trying to check some drama. Bro, look,
Teka,
everyone
labas
is
ko lang yung
gathering on the
marbles.
ground.
Guys, next round, Frontera Field. Solid talaga ng lakas araw. Taka na, di ko alam kung sarcasm yan, pre.
What server should we play? By the way, I'm gonna make a new account for you.
Bago si Fenny tsaka si Namrepus ang next in line. Wait lang, ano lang ako, yung lista lang ako.
Wait, you're running so fast.
Hoy, Boss Ingoy, thank you for liking the stream. Welcome. Papalaro ako, nagkuha lang ako ng listahan ng
Your
ano,
favorite na is Aya, Gini.
subscriber tsaka ng ano to. Kala ko welcome back. Nanalo ba si Pen? Hindi naman nanalo si Pen eh. Chi Merchi. Ayan, goods. Koto ko, padil. Medium size. Laki natin onte. Oh, yan. Medium size. Ano else, Jewel?
How?
Ano lang? Ano pa gagawin natin? Ano else, Jewel, minigame 5 rounds. O ng ano else, Jewel sa Guess the Monster. Tapos 5 rounds ng
I think I just have...
Kuha ni Koto ko, guns yan.
Hello, what?
Nilfame Dungeon. Grabe, kubra.
I really missed you for a bit. Sorry, I was... He's just explaining. So I'm getting scared.
Bilang dun eh. Tele ka muna, kayo King. Tele.
Wait lang.
Out the city, pre. Warp lang. Town name na ba si Rare?
Oh my god, help me find the sheriff.
Hindi ko makita. So, ang hindi pa nagkiklaim si Ace.
We wanted the best one. What did
Tapos
one
na yun, boy.
to the
Wala nang incentive mga ako para maumuha ng streamer eggs. Medium. Para sa 25 LC, 25 LC na to.
an anime girl? Wait, really?
XG. Naglilista na ako Wait lang. As the moonlight shines.
It's gonna be fun. When you're playing Minecraft, they said that they
Yan, punta lang kayo sa upper front mga pre. Mga gustong sumali. Grave worm. Teka lang nilista ko lang. Ano else? Jewel pa to mga pre Put down. Kumusta, Bossing Goy?
hello. You can?
Buddy, say that you remember. It's in September.
Yes, help me. Can you help me try to find the other people? In Roblox talaga. Wait, you cut your hair? You didn't tell me. So that I can cut my hair just... Okay, so you copied mine.
Kamusta naman ang buhay-buhay mga pre? Kamusta ang War of Imperium natin? Agit Lords pala.